some big breaking news which is coming in this regarding Air India. The Tata Sons have won the Air India bid. That's the big breaking news which are coming in, and many would say that it is very fitting. After all, they are the ones who who started Air India, following which it was taken over by the government. Now in the news which is coming in, the Tata Group is likely to have emerged as a top bidder for Air India. This is what we are picking up, and this is going to be a huge story, of course, considering there is a possibility that if they have managed to give the highest bid and then take over, that many would say that it is JRD's dream which is going to come true, that the Maharaja returns to the Tata's fold. JRD had come up with the entire vision of Air India at a time when it was considered to be the best airlines in the world, following which there was, of course, the government takeover of Air India. But now, for many years now, it has been in the talks that Air India is going to be put up for a bid, but now finally that process seems to have culminated. Let me go across to Hina Gambhir, who's joining us. Hina, what are you picking up? Have the Tatas won the Air India bid? Is it official now?
Well, official announcement is of course still awaited from the government side, but that's what we are picking up from the sources. Multiple sources, in fact, have confirmed to Times Now that Tatas finally have emerged as the front runner as far as this race to win Maharaja is concerned. There were two bidders, that's what we can now confirm to our viewers, but now it is Tata Sons which is the front runner, and an official announcement in this regard can be made very soon. That's what we are learning, and if this indeed happens, in fact it's almost done, but when it indeed happens, then the Maharaja will be heading back to the original owner. Remember, it was JRD Tata way back in 1932 who had started the Tata Airlines, which eventually became Air India. So back then the government was in a hurry to nationalize Tata Airlines or Air India, but now in 2021 the government is in a hurry to privatize the Maharaja. In fact, since 2017 the government has been trying very hard to find a new buyer for Air India, the national carrier, but finally it seems it's going to happen in 2021, and the Maharaja is likely to go back to the original owner, which is the Tata Group. Now, one thing that we are watching out for very closely as to what was the bidding amount, at what price is the Maharaja being sold to the Tata Sons. That's the number that we are now waiting for. An official announcement in this regard has not been made yet, something that we are all looking forward to, but that's going to be a massive change in the Indian aviation sector, Meghna, because Air India is a very important player. Now, a lot will change in the aviation sector once Air India gets a new owner. Now, let's tell you why Air India was supposed to be privatized, because it has got a debt of over 50,000 crore rupees, and that was something that the government thought was unmanageable. Probably governance was also one of the reasons why the debt became so big that it became completely unmanageable for the government as well to continue with this as the national carrier. But the importance that this national carrier has for India is something that we need to highlight too. Remember, when coronavirus pandemic started, at that time the rescue mission was all done by Air India, the flights that brought back Indians from different parts of the world, and apart from this, many other important activities that Air India is part of. How will that change? That's something that we all are now going to be very closely watching.
Well, in fact, we've also heard that the Tatas made a very high bid, considering this is a national asset for them. So the Tatas all along from the time of JRD have been deeply invested in Air India's, and many would say it's just befitting that it's going to return to the Tata fold, isn't it, Hina? Keep trying the developments. This, of course, will be one of our top focus stories without a short break.